Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to link Google Sheet and Excel so that the data in Excel can be updated automatically. So we have created a Google Sheet having employee data, and to link the Google Sheet with Excel, go to Google Sheet where your file is stored. Select the Google Sheet, click on Get Link option. Click on Copy Link button. It will show link copied message. Click on Done button. Now paste the link in Notepad. Now before using the link, we will make small changes. Change Edit to Export. Change USB to Format and Sharing to XLSX. Now copy this new link. Now open the Excel sheet which you want to link with the Google Sheet. Go to Data tab, click on Get Data drop down, select from other sources and select from web option. Now in from web window, copy the updated URL and click OK button. Now it will open the navigator window. Select the sheet 1 and it will show the data of Google Sheet. Now click on load button. The data is populated in Excel from Google Sheet. Now go to Google Sheet again and make some changes. So I'm adding a record. Now go to Excel sheet, go to Data tab and click on Refresh All button. The data will be refreshed. Now to automatically refresh the data, when you open the Excel, go to Query tab, click on Properties option. Now select Refresh Data when opening the File option and click OK. Now close the Excel sheet, save the workbook. Now make any changes in the sheet. So I'm adding another data. Now open the Excel sheet. The Excel sheet will connect to Google Sheet automatically and it will refresh the data. In this way, you can automatically update your Excel sheet from Google Sheet data. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.